Hello dear students, very good morning to you all. In today's class I teach you one more C program, and that is to find addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of entered two numbers. For that sake you need to write one C program. That means in reality you are developing a program. That means in reality you are developing a software. Then how to write this program? Before writing a C program, I request you to see the expected output. That means whenever we run the program, we get one message on the screen like this: enter any two numbers. Machine is waiting for the input. I give the inputs like 10 and 2. Then I press enter key. Then I get the outputs like addition is 12, subtraction is 8, multiplication is 20, division is 5. Okay. Now to this program you can say, or to this software, we have given two inputs. Like 10 and 2 are the inputs given by us, and we are getting how many outputs? 4 output you can say separately. First output as addition, second output as subtracted value, third output as multiplied value, last output is after division operation. This program you need to write. This is what the question, this is what the expected output. Then how to write the program? All of you think. By looking at this output, can you guess the instruction? Already you know how to display this message. Which function we use, can you tell me? To print this message on display, which function we use? Yes, yours is correct. We use printf. If you want to print this message, we use printf. In double quote you have to type this message. We are going to get that message on the terminal. How to read two numbers? We use scanf. Then how to do calculation? We use plus symbol. How to subtract? This symbol we use. How to multiply? This one. How to divide? This one. How to print? We use printf. This is first printf. This is second printf, or even you can use single printf also. This is third printf, and this one is fourth printf. Okay, then we need to wait. For that sake we need to use getch. Just do some analysis like this. Before printing you have to clear. Before that you need to allocate the memory. If you want to print this message, printf in double quote, enter any two numbers. If you want to read these two numbers, scanf %d, address of n1, address of n2. If you want to find the sum of these two, answer 1 equals to n1 plus n2, n1 minus n2, n1 into n3, n1 into n2, n1 divided by n2. Then print. That's all. This is very simple. Now I explain you the entire program. Now I want to print the message. Then how to print the message? Just printf. Then double quote, the message whichever we want to display on the display is enter any two numbers. Now this message will be displayed. Then I have to read how many numbers? Two numbers. That's a %d, comma. That means I am reading the first integer value, I am reading the second integer value, comma, address of the first variable n1, address of the second variable n2. n1 is the name of first integer type of memory, n2 is the name of second integer type of memory. This function will read two inputs from keyboard. Entered values will be stored within n1 and n2. Then once you read the numbers, what you need to do? You need to find the sum. Where you store? In answer 1. Where you want to store the subtracted value? In another memory named answer 2. where you store the multiplied value in another memory named answer 3. After division operation, where you store? In answer 4. I calculated. I have not calculated. Machine will calculate arithmetical and logical unit. But before printing the message, your responsibility is to clear the monitor, clear screen, before which you need to allocate the memory. N1, N2, answer 1, answer 2, answer 3, answer 4. Then you need to inform the machine which type of data you are going to store, integer type of data. This is the first instruction. I allocated these many memories. I cleared the screen. I have printed the message. I have read 2 values from keyboard. I did the calculations. Once you do all the calculations, your duty is to print it on display. Printf /n means cursor moves to next line. Addition is one value. Where is that? In answer 1. Similarly, you have to print remaining 3 answers. Even you can use single printf also, but I show you separate. First one is addition. First I display addition is okay. Addition is available in which memory? Yeah, very good. Answer 1. And subtracted value is available in which variable or which memory? Yeah, you are right. That is available in answer 2. Similarly, you need to instruct a machine to print the contents of remaining 2 more memories with appropriate message like this. I hope everyone has understood. Multiplication is, yeah, very good. Okay. Next division is. Now what the machine will do? Machine will perform all these one after another. Now machine allocates the memory, machine clears the screen, machine prints the message, machine reads 2 numbers, machine calculates, prints. Then you need to tell the machine that wait so that I read. How do you tell the machine to wait to get one character? We use getch. Here my program is over. Here my program started. This is what computer program. Set of instructions given to a computer by me, who am I, programmer, to do specific task. But as you know already, all the instructions must be inside which function? Yeah, very good. Main function. Void main. That function will not return any value back to operating system. Then you have to add which header file? Excellent. Standard input output header file. We use preprocessor named include, before that hash. And why you have written this command? Why you have written this program? How to write the comment also I told in my last class. /**. Name of the symbol is asterisk. Don't call it as a star. Asterisk. Okay. /**. This is a C program to find addition, subtraction, multiplication, division of 2 integers, and written by you only, programmer name CSK, and company name BLDE. You can write other specifications about the program whichever you have written, so that whenever other programmers in the company will open your program, they come to know about your program and other specifications and other limitations, advantages. You can write all these things. How to end the comment? /**. Here my comment started, here my comment completed. This is called documentation part. This is called as documentation part. This is not an instruction to a machine. This is not an instruction. This is all about details about the program whichever you have written. This is not for yourselves. This is for others. Whenever others will open our program, they come to know, oh, this program is written by this person, and in that company these are the other details of the program, so that they can reuse or they can modify according to their need. Who is a good programmer? The person, the programmer who writes the comments like this in between for other readers, that person is called as an efficient programmer in the companies. If you are having all these capabilities, good job is waiting for you. That's why you need to practice now onwards. Then definitely you are going to become an efficient programmer. I hope everyone has understood this program. Means for this question, what was the question? Question was like this. Write a C program to find so and so of enter two integers. This is what the expected output. This is what the program I have written. If I put this question in internal, I request you to write the program like this. Writing output is optional. You may or you may not. But if you write the output, evaluator will be happier, because of which there will be no marks deduction. You may get out marks. Always you need to write more to get more marks. Okay? I hope you understood. This is what all about today's lecture. Now practically I run and I will show you how to start. Double click. Okay, you need to wait for some time. We get the editor. Whenever you get the editor, what you need to do? First, what you need to do? You need to close all the opened files. How to close all the opened files? Can you tell me? How to close all the opened files? Yeah, you are true. We go for which menu? Window menu. There we have close and close all. Then you have to take new file. Yeah, you have to type the program. First one is include, #include stdio.h. Next one is void main. Then how many memories? N1, N2, answer 1, answer 2, answer 3, answer 4. Then clear the screen. Then print the message. Enter any two numbers or integers. Then how to read? Yeah, you are right. Then address of first memory, address of second variable. Then calculate all. First memory equals to addition, second one is equals to so and so, third one equals to multiplied value, last one equals to do the division operation. Print all. You can use single printf or separate. Addition is one value. Where is it? Yeah, correct. If you want to do copy paste, shift and down arrow, go for edit menu, copy, edit menu, paste, paste, paste. Control KH for unselect. And instead of addition is, you can change to subtraction is. Just do some modifications. Next one is multiplication is. Yeah, very good. Next one is division is. Yeah, very good. Then what you need to do? Change the variable names. Yeah, correct. Very good. Then tell the machine to wait. Yeah, correct. Then end the program. Here my program started. #include stdio.h, void main, started, allocation of memories, screen cleared, printed, reading, calculate, 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 print, 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 wait, program is over. Save it, file, save, prg3.c, enter, compile, warning 0, error 0, run. Yeah, memory allocated, screen cleared, printed, waiting, 10, 2, enter. Okay, we have developed the program, we developed the software. I hope everyone has understood. Thank you one and all. Please practice this program as well as try to write some more programs by your own. Thank you. Have a nice day.